What is opportunity and when does it knock? It never knocks. You can wait a whole lifetime listening and hoping, and you will hear no knocking. You are the opportunity, and you must knock on the door leading to your destiny. Opportunity isn't something that simply happens. Instead, you are the one in control of your own destiny. Opportunity is something you must create by first being self-aware and self-reflective, and then by acting.
I think it's vital that students have a voice. I see student governance as actually adding value to the degrees that we get. We're the reason the university exists. We're the ones here to get an education. So if our voice isn't heard, then it means that our education isn't the best that it can be. My job entails everything from advocating for the students to traveling across the state, across the country, working with legislators, working with other student representatives from all of the other UW system schools, running our student senate meetings, and then meeting with students and faculty and administration here on campus. I kind of wanted to figure out as a freshman, which organizations on campus are the best, the most fun to work with, the most active. And after that, I just got hooked meeting with administration, being able to travel across the nation and meet with other student leaders. That to me is an experience you can't get anywhere else outside of governance.
Fossil fuels are limited, and looking long-term for our country, the energy from renewables is cleaner. There's no long-term emissions. It's really important to begin the transition to a sustainable energy system that can work long-term for many future generations. So I've always been in technology, and power and electricity are really integral parts of any type of technology. And as I started to look into how we get our electricity, I realized that there are a lot of inefficiencies. I looked into renewable energy and efficiency and saw that there were a lot of different opportunities for improvement. The Sustainable and Renewable Energy Program at UW-Platteville really bridges technology and engineering skills to help us advance our energy economy. Long term, I'd really like to end up regulating energy at either state level or federal level. You can design legislation that will help people design power systems and grid systems and efficiency programs that will really help us unlock a lot of potential.
I started taking studio dance lessons at about 3 years of age, which consisted of ballet, tap, and jazz for about 11 years. And then I started doing competitive dance through my school, and I did that all the way through high school. So obviously it was a big part of my life, and Platteville had a dance team. Getting on it my freshman year and being able to really help grow the program really was rewarding to me, and I was on the team for 4 years and was captain for the last 2, and it was pretty cool. It's a way to escape everything else, and there's just so many different opportunities in dance that you don't get when you're just walking. My favorite quote is, "If you're not dancing, you're wasting your feet." So it's just something that I really enjoy. I love performing. I love getting out there in that atmosphere, and it's just really cool.
When I was 9 years old, my parents actually bought me a balloon kit, and they did this because I was already really into all kinds of Legos and arts and crafts, and I picked it up right away, and I've just been going at it ever since. It's started small. Currently, now we're called the Big Balloon Tycoon, and I've got my family helping me with this. I've got some people outside of the family helping me with this, and it's a great thing. I've been able to really turn this into something good for myself. I have been doing a lot of things with Big Balloon Tycoon just to make sure that I was getting by in high school. And then when I came to college, I realized that those things I was doing, it was accounting, it was marketing. And I just never had the formal training, if you will. I just kind of went with what made sense. So taking those classes, it's been a lot of fun for me, actually, because I've been able to relate it directly back to my own business. There's all kinds of things that I learned here that I've been able to plug back into my business. What I would hope to be able to accomplish in the long run is I want to be in a management position. I would love to be the guy to assemble a team and take on some kind of responsibility. Coming here to Platteville too has been phenomenal because I've been able to learn more here that I can put back into my business. So it's been a phenomenal experience all around.
As you go forward and confidently knock on those doors, think always about empowering yourself and believe that your own voice and ideas matter and you will continue to uncover your own ways of creating opportunity. In so doing, I know that you'll make every day a great day to be a pioneer.